Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I am dealing with vocabulary portion. It is applicable for all competitive examination. Here we are learning word, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms and its sentence and after it quiz. Okay, so here we go. These are the questions which I asked you. So let's solve them. First one is stigma. You have to find a similar meaning. Okay. So options are strain, trial, difficulty, holiness. So correct answer will be strain. See friend, stigma means what society thinks about you. Okay. It is called stigma. So right answer according to option will be strain. Second is reside. Options are remain, home, dwell, sediment. So reside means where the person reside. So correct answer will be dwell. Okay, I dwell at here. Okay. Then next one is cowardice. Options are quiet, sneaky, lurking, greedy. So correct answer will be greedy. See friend, what is covetous? It is having a strong desire for the wealth of others. Okay, so it means that that person is greedy, right? The next one is abide. Options are endure, hate, attendance, live. So correct answer will be endure. See friend, abide means that you are acting according to the rule and regulation. Okay, means you are enduring it. Next one is screwed. So screwed means you are able to make good decision. You are able to make good decision by yourself and you understand that situation very well. Okay, this condition is called astute. Means astute means very clever and you are good at judging people and their situation. Okay, then next one is fitter. Options are rancid, praise, hamper, persist. See, fitter means restrain. Okay, it means restrain. So we don't have option like restrain. So we will go along hamper. Okay. Now moving toward the 10 new words of today. The first one is blight. What does it mean? It means application. Okay, it means application. Then what does application mean? It means a state of pain. Application mean pain. Okay, then synonyms would be scars or ban. Then friends, what is scars? Scars is a person or a thing that causes a lot of trouble or suffering. Okay, then blight is a negative word which means affliction. Affliction is a state of pain. Okay, is a state of pain. The synonyms would be scars or ban. ठीक है, scars means a person or thing that cause a lot of trouble or suffering. Okay, and then opposite would be blessing. Okay, antonym would be blessing. Now let's form an example. The vacant properties are a blight on the neighborhood. Means the vacant properties are ban on a ban on the neighborhood. Okay, basically the blight word we use for the plant diseases to spoil or damage something. Okay, especially by causing a lot of problem, we use the word blight. And in other sense, any disease that kills plants, especially crops that are grown for the food, we use the word blight. In different senses this blight word is used. Okay, now coming toward the next word, it is complacent. Complacent is an adjective which means smug. Okay, then what is smug? Smug is having or showing an excessive pride. Okay, whenever a person show excessive pride, so we call as smug. Okay, then what are the synonyms? Self-satisfied or self-approving means the person don't need approval of other person, he is complacent. Okay, so antonym would be dissatisfied. Simple one. If you are not satisfied, so opposite will be dissatisfied. Let's form an example. You can't afford to be complacent about security. Okay, you can't be so self-approving about the security. You must check on. Okay, I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it's wrangle. Wrangle is a noun which means argument. So synonyms would be dispute and disagreement. Okay, argument, if there would be argument, okay, people will not agree among them, so a result will be conflict or dispute, is called wrangle. Okay, so antonym would be agreement. Okay, then example, an insurance wrangle is holding up compensation payment. Okay, I think it's clear. Now now let's understand wrangle in a simple way. Okay, whenever wrangle come, you must take in your mind that it is nothing but a dispute. Okay, it is nothing but a dispute. Okay, it is a dispute or argument, typically one for a long time, and it's become complicated, then we use the word wrangle. Okay, let's form an example. I don't want to get into a wrangle with the committee. Okay, you say to the other person that I don't want to get wrangle with that person. Okay, you can use in that sense also. Now moving toward the next word, it is inclusive. See, inclusive, it's an adjective, it means all in. It's a simple word we use day by day. Okay, then inclusive, it's an adjective. Okay, synonyms will be all inclusive, comprehensive. So what would be the antonym? It is exclusive, right? Synonym is an inclusive and antonym is exclusive. Now let's form an example. They have menus stating full inclusive prices. Matlab they have all in prices in the menu. So because the hotel policies are inclusive, they apply to the all guest. Okay, this can be the example. So opposite would be exclusive. You might have heard that, oh, this is the exclusive offer for you, means only for you. It's an exclusive offer for you, means excluding or not admitting other thing, is called exclusive. Now moving toward the next word, it is implicit. What is implicit? It is implied, means this implied that. Something that is suggestive or implied, but not ever clearly said. Okay, means it is not direct. Okay, it's indirect, but it implies something. Synonyms would be indirect and inferred. Inferred means conclusion, conclude, concludes. How we can conclude something? By the evidence. Evidence, we conclude something, then we use the word inferred. Okay, I think it's clear. Now let's form an example. Okay, comments seen as implicit criticism of the policy. Now, what was the antonym of it? Explicit, which is very direct, which can be observed. Okay. Now, next one is collision. Collision is a noun which means clash. See, this is collision. It means clash. Synonym would be conflict and opposition. Okay. Then what would be the antonym? Antonym would be collisions. See, friend, what is collisions? It is a merging of element from one mass to whole. Okay, there is no class in coalescence. For example, when she married an NRI, collision of two diverse culture took place. Simple one, class of the two culture took place. Now seventh one is efficacious. Efficacious is an adjective which means effective. Synonyms would be successful and effectual. Okay, efficacious means capable of having the desired result, means you are capable enough of doing that. So antonym would be inefficacious. Very simple. Okay, let's form an example. The treatment was efficacious in some cases. Okay, then what was effectual? Effectual means valid or binding. It is valid. Okay, it is valid or binding. Okay, it effectual means. Now next word is offensive. Offensive is also an adjective which means insulting. See, it means insulting. So synonyms would be rude, derogatory. ठीक है. Derogatory means showing a critical or disrespecting attitude. Means there is, you don't respect in this case. Okay, disrespect. Derogatory. Okay, antonym would be complimentary. For example, the allegation made are deeply offensive to us. The ninth one is abridge. This word has been taken by me in my previous classes. Abridge means shorten, curtail. The class has been abridged. Okay, the class has been abridged, the assignment has been abridged. Okay, then means cut short. The school has curtailed the activities due to the lack of funds. We can give this example. Antonym would be lengthen. For example, it was abridged from the original work, means it was shortened from the original work. Now see, last one is tangible. Tangible is an adjective which means real, which you can touch by your hand, which is not an imagination but a real thing. Okay, synonym would be actual and solid. So antonym would be abstract. See friends, abstract here means existing in the thought or as an idea, okay, but not having in a physical manner, or it is not existing in real world, is called abstract. It is only in your thought and imagination. For example, the emphasis is now on tangible result, means which we can feel, okay, which are practical, are called tangible results. Now that was all the 10 words for you. Now this time you just check yourself how much you know. Blight is the first word. You have to find a similar word. Okay, options are source, benefit, blessing, boon. So correct meaning will be source. Okay, I told you a person or a thing that causes a lot of trouble or suffering is called source. Next one is complacent. Options are satisfy, modesty, humility, anxiety. So complacent means satisfy. Next word is wrangle. Options are effect, peace, dispute, agreement. Okay, so wrangle means dispute. Next one is inclusive. Options are exactly, including, exclusive, accepted. So correct answer will be including. Next is implicit. Options are limited, direct, indirect, explicit. So correct answer will be indirect. Next is collision. Options are match, impact, fit, aid. So correct answer will be impact. Okay. Next is efficacious. Options are irrigation, in utility, inefficacious, efficient. So correct answer will be efficient. Next one is offensive. Options are complimentary, rude, polite, wholesome. So correct answer will be rude. Okay. Ninth one is abridge. Options are curtail, definite, lengthen, accurate. So correct answer will be curtail, shorten. Okay. 10th one is tangible. Options are sensible, intangible, abstract, light. See friends, the correct answer will be tangible, which is practical one. Okay. Now this is all about the quiz. Now these are the question which you have to do by yourself, and we will discuss it tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you like this session, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. And if you don't know, we have live classes too of maths at 6 p.m. and of SSB at 8 p.m. Okay, you can join them. They are really good and you can solve your doubts over there. Thank you. Keep learning. Be safe.